So inside your Stripe account, so you have here the product catalog. So once you click here, so you have here this button, which is add products. So the products, we will add it as plan. Okay, so using this product, so the products here will be a plan. So it's the same thing as we have inside our database. So if we add products, so as you can see here, we have name, we have the description, and we have the price, and the billing period is monthly. Okay, so let's give it name starter, description starter plan, and amount, let's give it $9. Okay, so now we can add our products. So our first plan has been added successfully. Next, we need to add second one. Second one is, let's give it name full QR codes. And the description, same thing, plan. And for the price, let's give it only 80 and add products. So this is the second plan. Let's add the third one. The third one is super full QR codes. And same thing here. Change it to plan. And what else we need? We need the price. So the price, let's make it 36. And add products. So now we are done. We have three products, and now we have 3 plans. So next we need to add plans to our database, because we did not add plans to our database. And since we have, or we don't have an admin, so let's use only the migration. So here inside, where is it? Inside our database, migration and plans. So here we can use, or we can store our plans. And to store plans, so here let's add a command, insert default plans. And we can call the DB class and define the table, which is plans. And what else we need to insert, and what we will insert data, which is but before we do that, so we need an array. So we have the first thing is the name, and the first plan is the starter. So it's the same thing as we have done inside our Stripe products. So next we need the price, and the price is the same like we have the one we have defined, which is $9. And next we have the number of QR codes. And for the starter, let's make it 100. And next, and this is the important thing here, is the price ID. So as we have seen when we created our migration, so we have added this price ID. So using this price ID, so Stripe will know which plan the user has subscribed to, and will know also the price that will the user pay monthly. And to add the price ID, so what we need to do, we need to go to our plan here, which is starter, which is the first one. And here you have the three dots. So once you click here, you can copy price ID as you can see here. So once you click copy and you move back to your price ID, so you add it here, okay? So now we have our first plan. Next, we need to add second one. The second one is the full QR codes, and price is 18. Number of QR codes, let's make it 500, and the price we can get it from our product catalog. So we have the full QR code. So here same thing, copy the price ID, come back here and paste it here, okay? Next we have the final one, which is super full QR codes, and here we have 1000 QR codes and the price is 36. So the same thing as we have done here inside our Stripe products catalog. So do the same thing, same price, same name, same price ID that we have copied, okay? So next, what we need to copy the price. So we can find it here inside super full QR codes. So copy from here and paste here. Okay, so now we have our QR codes, not QR codes, our plans, default plans. So we have, or we need first, let's import this. So from Illuminate supports facades DB, okay. So save, now we have, as I said, our default plans. So all we need to do is so we need to refresh the migration so we can create the plans. So let's do PHP artisan migrate fresh. So everything is done successfully. So now if we refresh, so we will have, so the user has been removed because we have already we have removed all the data from our database. Let's create a new user and submit. So let's try to log in with the same email that we have used and password, and we are redirected to our home page. So now we need to do something. So let's create QR code. So we need, once the user reaches 0 here, so we need to redirect him to a page that will display the QR codes. Okay, let's make it 0 so we can redirect the user to the plans page. So here we have 3. Let's edit this one. So now it's 2. Let's do that again. So edit or update, and we are redirected to the home page. We have now only 1. Let's create another one and add contents and submit, and now we have 0. Okay, so what we need now, so the user needs, if he tries now to create a new QR code, so he needs to be redirected to a plan page. Okay, so to the plans page, so he can choose a plan and subscribe to it. Okay, so we need to prevent him from accessing the add new QR code page and also the edit. So he can't edit and add. Okay,